everyone, welcome back to my video. I'm Niputudia Pramidevi with the last 3-digit number is 075. In this video, I want to solve one problem of PISA question in 2009, Unit 24 about support for the President. The purpose of making this video is 1. To fulfill my text in English format 2, and 2. To explain to you how to solve PISA question in mathematics. So, this is the question.
In Shetland, opinion polls were conducted to find out the level of support to the president in the forthcoming election. 4 newspaper publishers did separate nationwide polls. The results for the 4 newspaper polls are shown below. Newspaper 1, 36.5%, the poll conducted on January 6 with a sample of 500 randomly selected citizens with voting rights. Newspaper 2, 41.0%, the poll conducted on January 20 with a sample of 500 randomly selected citizens with voting rights. Newspaper 3, 39.0%, the poll conducted on January 20 with a sample of 1,000 randomly selected citizens with voting rights. Newspaper 4, 44.5%, the poll conducted on January 20 with 1,000 readers pounding into vote. Which newspaper result is likely to be the best for predicting the level of support for the president if the election is held on January 25? Give 2 reasons to support your answer. To solve the problem, we can use theories from statistics about sampling and sampling distribution. As for the theory in question is about the type of sampling used. From the question, we know that the newspaper used a type of accidental sample. According to Sugiono 2008, accidental sampling is a sampling technique based on coincidence. That is, anyone who accidentally meet a research can be used as a sample if it is that the person met by chance is deemed suitable as a source of data. In this technique, the sampling is not determined in advance. Research immediately collected data from the sampling units and counted. For example, research on public opinion about election by using every adult citizen as a sampling unit. Research collect data directly from each adult they encounter until the expected amount is met. A good sample is a sample that is able to represent the population or could be called having sample validity. The validity of the sample is determined by its accuracy and level of precision, according to Wahyuni 1994. Accuracy is needed to avoid measurement deviation that will affect the overall score. The level of precision is the low level of error in the sample. High or low level of precision is indicated by the size of the standard error of estimate, meaning that is the smaller standard error estimate get indicates the higher level of sample precision. From the difference of sample taken in the polls, we can see that the greater the number of samples are, the value of the sample will be closer to the value of the original population. Thus, the chance of generalization errors is also getting smaller. So, we can conclude that newspaper 3 is the newspaper that provides the best result for predicting the level of support for the president. The reason is 1. They have selected more citizens randomly with voting rights. 2. They have asked 1,000 people, randomly selected, and the date is closer to the election date. So, the voters have less time to change their mind.
That's all about my video. Thank you and goodbye.